Undeterred by heavy rains and storms, sitting executive member and Tipra Motha candidate Runiel Debbarma intensified his re-election bid for the Bodhjung Nagar-Wakhi Nagar ADC constituency today. Debbarma led a massive unity march through the village streets of Udhi Nagar VC, specifically targeting police stations 11 and 12. Accompanied by local leaders and thousands of vocal supporters, the candidate navigated through inclement weather to engage directly with voters. During his interaction with the electorate, Runiel Debbarma emphasized the party's core ideology of Thansa, urging the community to remain united for the upcoming ADC elections on April 12. Our fight is for the rights and future of our people. No storm can dampen the spirit of Thansa, Debbarma told the gathering. In a significant setback for the Separate Party in the region, 15 voters from 5 families officially resigned from the BJP to join Tipra Motha during the campaign event. The new members cited their belief in the Motha leadership and the party's commitment to tribal welfare as the primary reasons for their defection.
Chini, Udhi Nagar VC ni, 2 number ward ni, stay 6 number ward ni, Chini 5 pass poriban ni, 15 voter, BJP bodol yakari, Tipra Motha, bodolo banao borok mogiru paikya, ebong tini simi bubagrano bagi samung kaine, bubagrano thansakai, buskang ni chong maribo. Tebo hankerake keplai kaina ni bagai borok tibi Tipra Motha party juglai peke amno bongno welcome kayu sing borok no sing Tipra Motha ni party ni ngai sing bongno paiplai hamboi boya poro je borok asik bujiwi borok asik bubag no phandui keplai kaina bagi sino login thaibo amno bongno paiplai hamboi.
The high voltage campaign concluded with a call for a decisive mandate on April 12 to ensure the continuity of development under the Tipra Motha administration. Reported by Boyer from Bodhjung Nagar, Chini, Khorang.